Your front door is the first thing people see when they approach your home. It's a focal point. A well-finished door adds to your home's curb appeal and creates a welcoming first impression. But a front door is more than just a pretty face. It's a barrier against the elements. A properly finished door helps protect your home from sun, rain, and wind. The finish acts as a sealant, which helps prevent warping, cracking, and rotting. In the long run, a good finish saves you time and money. You won't have to repair or replace your door as often. Taking the time to finish your door properly is a worthwhile investment. It's an easy way to boost your home's value and keep it looking its best. Before you begin finishing your exterior door, it's essential to have the right tools on hand. Proper preparation can make all the difference in achieving a professional-looking result. Having the proper equipment ensures a smooth and successful process. It not only saves time but also helps you avoid common pitfalls that can arise from using the wrong tools or materials. Here's a list of the essentials. First, you'll need a Phillips and a flathead screwdriver. These are crucial for removing and reinstalling the door handle and any other hardware that might be attached to the door. You'll need a Phillips and a flathead screwdriver to remove and reinstall the door handle and any other hardware. Make sure to keep all screws and small parts in a safe place to avoid losing them. Drop cloths or plastic sheeting protect your floors and work area from paint splatters and drips. This is especially important if you're working indoors or in a space where you want to keep the surroundings clean. Protect yourself from fumes by wearing a painting mask, especially when working with oil-based finishes. These fumes can be harmful if inhaled over a prolonged period, so it's better to be safe. Safety glasses are crucial to protect your eyes from flying debris and paint splatters. Even a small particle can cause significant discomfort or injury, so always wear them when sanding or painting. Various grits of sandpaper, including 120, 180, and 220 grit, are needed to smooth the door surface and prepare it for finishing. Start with the coarser grit and gradually move to the finer ones for a smooth finish. A tack cloth removes dust and debris from the door after sanding. This step is crucial to ensure that no particles are left on the surface, which could affect the final finish. Choose high-quality paint brushes specifically designed for the type of finish you're using. Angled brushes are great for cutting in around edges. Investing in good brushes can make a noticeable difference in the application and final appearance of the paint. A paint tray makes it easier to load your brush, and a liner makes cleanup a breeze. Liners are especially useful if you're using multiple colors or types of paint, as they allow for quick changes without the hassle of cleaning the tray each time. If your door has any dents or scratches, you'll need wood filler to repair them before painting. This ensures a smooth, even surface for the paint to adhere to, resulting in a more polished look. Lastly, use a putty knife to apply and smooth the wood filler. Make sure to let it dry completely before sanding it down to match the door surface. This final step is essential for achieving a flawless finish. Proper preparation is crucial for a long-lasting and professional-looking finish. This step ensures that the finish adheres properly and looks its best. Here's a step-by-step guide to prepping your exterior door. Start by removing the door from its hinges. This allows you to work on it more easily and ensures you reach every nook and cranny. Next, take off the doorknob, hinges, and any other hardware, setting these aside in a safe place. Thoroughly clean the door to remove dirt, grime, and cobwebs using a damp cloth and a mild detergent solution. Rinse well and allow the door to dry completely. Use 120 grit sandpaper to smooth out any imperfections and rough spots, gradually moving to finer grits like 180 and 220 for a smooth finish. If your door has any dents or scratches, fill them with wood filler. Apply the filler with a putty knife, overfilling slightly. Let it dry completely, then sand it smooth. After sanding, use a tack cloth to remove all dust and debris. Section 4. Choosing the right armor. Selecting the ideal exterior door finish. Selecting the right finish is crucial for protecting your door from the elements. The exterior door is the first line of defense against harsh weather conditions, and the finish you choose can significantly impact its durability and appearance. A well-chosen finish not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of your door, but also extends its lifespan by providing a protective barrier against moisture, UV rays, and temperature fluctuations. The finish you choose depends on the door's material and your desired look. For instance, wooden doors may require different finishes compared to metal or fiberglass doors. Each material has its own set of characteristics and maintenance needs, so it's essential to select a finish that complements the material and meets your specific requirements. Whether you prefer a natural look or a bold, vibrant color, there's a finish out there that will suit your style. Here are some popular options. Paint, stain, and varnish are among the most common finishes used for exterior doors. Each of these options has its own set of advantages, and can be chosen based on the look you want to achieve and the level of protection you need. Paint offers a wide range of colors and finishes. It is an excellent choice if you want to make a bold statement with your door, or match it to your home's exterior color scheme. Paint can also provide a solid barrier against the elements, protecting the door from moisture and UV damage. Look for exterior-grade paint that is mildew-resistant and fade-resistant. These features ensure that your door remains vibrant and free from mold or mildew growth, even in humid or rainy conditions. Exterior-grade paints are specially formulated to withstand the rigors of outdoor exposure, making them a durable and long-lasting option. Latex paint is water-based and easy to clean up. It dries quickly and has a lower level of volatile organic compounds, VOCs, making it a more environmentally friendly option. Latex paint is also flexible, which helps it resist cracking and peeling over time. Oil-based paint provides a more durable finish, but requires mineral spirits for cleanup. It is known for its smooth, glossy finish and excellent adhesion properties. However, oil-based paints take longer to dry and have higher VOC levels, so proper ventilation is essential during application. Apply paint when temperatures are above 10 degrees Celsius or 50 degrees Fahrenheit. Painting in the right temperature range ensures proper adhesion and drying of the paint, leading to a more durable and long-lasting finish. Allow each coat to dry completely before applying the next. This step is crucial for achieving a smooth, even finish and preventing issues like bubbling or peeling. Patience during the painting process will pay off with a beautiful, professional-looking result. Stain enhances the natural beauty of wood doors. It penetrates the wood fibers, highlighting the grain and adding depth to the wood's appearance. Stains are available in a variety of colors, from light to dark, allowing you to customize the look of your door. It comes in various shades to complement your home's exterior. Whether you prefer a rustic, natural look or a more polished, sophisticated appearance, there's a stain color that will match your vision. Choose an exterior-grade stain that provides UV protection. This feature helps prevent the wood from fading and deteriorating due to sun exposure, ensuring that your door remains beautiful and protected for years to come. Apply stain when temperatures are between 15 and 26 degrees Celsius, or 60 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit. Staining in the right temperature range ensures optimal absorption and drying of the stain, resulting in a more even and durable finish. Allow each coat to penetrate the wood according to the manufacturer's instructions. Proper application and drying times are essential for achieving the desired color and protection. Varnish creates a tough protective layer over the door's surface. It is an excellent choice for adding a glossy or matte finish while providing a durable barrier against moisture and UV damage. It comes in various sheens from matte to high gloss. This allows you to choose the level of shine that best suits your aesthetic preferences and the overall look of your home. Spar varnish is specifically designed for exterior use. It is highly resistant to water and UV rays, making it an ideal choice for doors exposed to harsh weather conditions. Apply varnish when temperatures are above 10 degrees Celsius or 50 degrees Fahrenheit. This ensures proper curing and adhesion of the varnish, resulting in a long-lasting protective finish. Allow each coat to dry completely before applying the next. Multiple coats of varnish will enhance the durability and appearance of your door, providing a smooth, even finish that can withstand the elements. Section 5. Vertical or flat. Determining the best finishing position. When it comes to finishing an exterior door, you have two main options, vertically or flat. Each method has its own set of advantages and challenges, and the choice you make can significantly impact the final look and durability of your door. Each method has its pros and cons, so consider your comfort level and the desired outcome. It's important to weigh these factors carefully before starting your project. Vertical finishing involves propping the door upright and painting or staining it from top to bottom. This method is often chosen by professionals who are accustomed to working with doors in their natural, installed position. Pros. This position mimics the door's natural orientation, allowing gravity to assist with even coating and reducing runs. The vertical position helps the finish flow smoothly down the surface, which can be particularly beneficial for achieving a professional look. It's often preferred for doors with panels or intricate designs. The vertical position makes it easier to work on detailed areas without the risk of pooling or uneven application. Cons: it requires more space and securing the door upright. You need a stable setup to prevent the door from tipping over, which can be a bit cumbersome in smaller workshops. Flat finishing involves laying the door horizontally on sawhorses or a workbench. This method is often favored by DIY enthusiasts and beginners because it offers a more controlled environment for applying the finish. Pros: this method provides better access to all areas of the door, making it easier to reach corners and edges. You can move around the door freely, ensuring that every part is evenly coated. It's generally faster and requires less maneuvering. The flat position allows for a quicker application process, which can be a significant time saver, especially for larger doors. Cons: it can be challenging to achieve an even finish without runs or sags, especially on larger doors. The horizontal position can sometimes cause the finish to pool in certain areas, requiring extra attention to detail. Ultimately, the best position depends on your personal preference and the specific door you're finishing. Consider the design of the door, the type of finish you're using, and your own comfort and experience level. For beginners, starting with the door laid flat might be easier. This position allows you to focus on applying an even coat without worrying about the door shifting or falling. As you gain experience, you can experiment with vertical finishing for certain door styles. This can help you develop new techniques and achieve different finishes that might be more suitable for specific projects. In the end, the key is to choose the method that best suits your needs and helps you achieve the desired result. Whether you go vertical or flat, taking the time to properly prepare and apply the finish will ensure a beautiful and durable exterior door.